First of all, 1. Include libraries asterisk. The code includes necessary libraries like _iostream, vector, and algorithm to enable input, output operations, dynamic arrays, and sorting functions. 2. Main function asterisk. The main function is the entry point of the program. 3. User input for array size asterisk. The program prompts the user to enter the size of the array they want to sort. 4. User input for array elements asterisk. After the user inputs the size, the program prompts the user to enter the elements of the array. 5. Array initialization asterisk. A vector named arranged by is created with the size provided by the user to store the array elements. 6. Loop for inputting array elements asterisk. A loop is used to iterate through each element of the array and store the user inputted values into the vector arranged by 7. Sorting in ascending order asterisk. The std sort function is called to sort the elements of the array in ascending order. This function rearranges the elements in the vector arranged by from the beginning to the end. 8. Printing array in ascending order asterisk. The elements of the sorted array in ascending order are printed one by one using a loop. 9. Sorting in descending order asterisk. The std sort function is called again, but this time with reverse iterators. Arranged by begin, and arranged by rend, to sort the elements in descending order. 10. Printing array in descending order asterisk.